Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about grounds for divorce in India. The secular mindset of the Indian judicial system has initiated proclamation of various personal laws based on the different religious faiths. Hindus, Christians and Muslims are governed under separate marriage acts and the grounds for divorce in India. Grounds for divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. First, adultery. Second, cruelty, desertion, conversion, mental disorder, leprosy, venereal disease, renunciation, not heard alive, no resumption of cohabitation. Let's begin with adultery. The act of indulging in any kind of sexual relationship, including intercourse outside marriage, is termed as adultery. Adultery is counted as a criminal offence and substantial proofs are required to establish it. An amendment to the law in 1976 states that one single act of adultery is enough for the petitioner to get a divorce. Second, cruelty. A spouse can file a divorce case when he/she is subjected to any kind of mental and physical injury that causes danger to life, limb, and health. The intangible acts of cruelty through mental torture are not judged upon one single act, but series of incidents. Certain instances, like the food being denied, continuous ill treatment and abuse to acquire dowry, perverse sexual act, etc., are included under cruelty. Desertion. If one of the spouses voluntarily abandons his or partner for at least a period of 2 years, the abandoned spouse can file a divorce case on the ground of desertion. Thirdly, conversion. In case either of the two converts himself into another religion, the other spouse may file a divorce case based on this ground. Mental disorder. The mental disorder can become a ground for filing a divorce if the spouse of the petitioner suffers from an incurable mental disorder and insanity and therefore cannot be expected from the couple to stay together. Leprosy. In case of the virulent incurable form of leprosy, a petition can be filed by the other spouse based on this ground. Venereal disease. If one of the spouses is suffering from a serious disease that is easily communicable, a divorce can be filed by the other spouse. The sexually transmitted diseases like AIDS are accounted to be vulnerable disease. Renunciation. A spouse is entitled to file for divorce if the other renunciates all worldly affairs by embracing a religious order. Not heard alive. If a person is not seen or heard alive by those who are expected to be naturally heard of the person for a continuous period of 7 years, the person is presumed to be dead. The other spouse should need to file a divorce if she is interested in remarriage. No presumption of cohabitation. It becomes ground for divorce if the couple fails to resume their cohabitation after the court has passed a decree of separation. There are certain grounds in India on which petition can be filed by the wife. If the husband has indulged in rape, bestiality, and sodomy, if the marriage is solemnized before the Hindu Marriage Act, and the husband again married another woman in spite of the first wife being alive, the first wife can seek for a divorce. A girl is entitled to file for a divorce if she was married before the age of 15 and renounced marriage before she attains 18 years of age. If there is no cohabitation for 1 year and the husband neglects the judgment of maintenance awarded to the wife by the court, the wife can contest for divorce. That's it for the today for the guys. See you tomorrow.